As a cybersecurity leader, you cannot afford to ignore the impact of generative AI on technology, security, and innovation. GenAI is rapidly transforming how organizations build applications, automate operations, and even respond to threats. At the heart of GenAI's success lies a revolutionary concept, and that is transformer architectures. In this lecture, you'll learn what GenAI is, why transformers matter, and how they are reshaping the future of both cybersecurity and broader IT landscapes. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence models that can create new content such as text, images, audio, code, and more, rather than simply analyzing or classifying existing data. Unlike traditional AI systems that detect spam emails or recommend products, GenAI systems generate entirely new outputs based on the patterns they have learned from large datasets. When you hear terms like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Codex, or Bard, you're encountering examples of GenAI in action. These models can write essays, create software code, summarize documents, generate synthetic data, and even simulate conversations. As a leader, you must recognize that GenAI isn't just a tech innovation, it's a strategic force. It can empower security operations with faster threat detection, enhance automation and incident response, and help teams manage growing information overload. But it also introduces new risks around hallucinations, data poisoning, and adversarial use. Your role is to harness GenAI's benefits while preparing defenses against its misuse. At the foundation of modern GenAI lies the transformer architecture, which is introduced in the landmark 2017 paper called "Attention is All You Need." Transformers changed everything by introducing a highly efficient way for machines to understand context, relationships, and sequences of information without relying on traditional step-by-step memory methods like RNNs. Transformers work by using a mechanism called self-attention, allowing the model to weigh the importance of every word or token in a sequence relative to every other word. This makes them incredibly powerful for tasks like text generation, translation, and summarization. Instead of processing information sequentially, transformers process input in parallel, making them faster and capable of handling vast amounts of data. When you lead AI-driven initiatives, you need to appreciate that without transformers, large language models, that is LLMs like GPT-4 or Claude, would not exist at the scale and sophistication we see today. When you step into the world of GenAI, you need to understand that transformers are far more than just engines behind smarter chatbots. They are critical enablers for the future of cybersecurity. Their real power lies in their ability to understand language, context, and intent at a scale and speed that traditional systems cannot match. As a security leader, you can leverage transformer-based models to analyze massive streams of security data in near real time, spotting threats hidden in complex network traffic, logs, and behavioral patterns that human analysts might easily overlook. You can also use these models to automate threat intelligence workflows, allowing your teams to read, summarize, and synthesize vast amounts of external threat data far faster than ever before. Even more powerfully, you can apply transformer models to adversarial simulations, helping red teams and blue teams design realistic attack scenarios and defensive strategies in ways that were previously unimaginable. However, you must not forget that the same capabilities that benefit defenders can also be used by attackers. GenAI powered by transformers can generate highly convincing phishing campaigns, craft realistic social engineering scripts, and even automate parts of malware development. Your leadership responsibility is to stay ahead of this curve, to recognize both the opportunities and the emerging risks, and to guide your organization in using transformers safely, responsibly, and strategically in the face of a rapidly evolving threat landscape. Many people hear generative AI and immediately think of hype. As a cybersecurity leader, you must move beyond buzzwords. Your focus is on turning GenAI into measurable business value, improving threat detection, accelerating response, reducing manual analysis time, and helping security teams scale their expertise. At the same time, you must champion governance, ethics, and risk management around how GenAI is deployed. The organizations that thrive in the GenAI era will be the ones whose leaders are informed, strategic, and proactive, not the ones who simply follow the crowd. So, what's your leadership takeaway? GenAI and transformer architectures are reshaping how technology is built and secured. Your role is to understand these technologies deeply, not just at the surface, and lead the safe, responsible adoption of AI tools within your organization. Mastering GenAI isn't optional. It's part of becoming the next generation of effective, resilient cybersecurity leaders.